Hello everyone, we are Group 1 and I am Abubakar Nasif Haji and our topic is about median. So what is median? The median is a measure of central tendency in statistics and mathematics. It is the middle value of a dataset when it is ordered from smallest to largest. It is commonly used in statistics, data analysis, and real-world application. So in short, median is a data point which divide the distribution into two equal parts. Ito ang gitnang halaga ng isang dataset kapag ito inayos mula sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaki. At ito'y karaniwang ginagamit sa estadistika, pagsusuri ng datos at mga aplikasyon sa totoong buhay.
In finding the median, first thing you have to do is putting the numbers in order and then count how many numbers you have, and that will be your n. So there are two cases in finding the median. The first case is if the number of the data points or the n is odd, then meron tayong isang middle number lang. Here, we can use the formula median equals the number at position n plus 1 divided by 2. And then the result will be the position of the middle number in the set of the numbers given. In case number 2 is if n or the number of the data points is even, that means dalawang number ang nasa middle. So, we need to add them together and i-divide siya by 2 para makuha ang average. Use the formula median equals middle number 1 plus middle number 2 divided by 2. The result will be the middle number.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to each and everyone. I am Shalhani M. Baraontong at ngayon ay dumako naman tayo sa mga halimbawa na aming ibibigay about sa median. So, ang unang halimbawa is a teacher recorded the following math exam scores for her class 92, 85, 78, 95, 88, 75, 90, and 82. So, determine the median score of the class. So, step 1, para malaman natin kung ano yung sagot nito. Step 1, arrange the data in ascending order. So, i-arrange natin yung data natin pataas. So, makikita natin sa PowerPoint na ang unang natin na sinulat ay ang 75 dahil ang 75 ang pinakamaliit sa kanilang lahat. So, susunod naman ang 78, sumunod naman ang 82, 85, 88 hanggang sa palaki na palaki, 90, 92, 95. Pagkatapos, determine if the number of data points is even or odd. So, we have 8 data points. So, which is, sila ay even number. So, naintindihan. So, pagkatapos ng step 2, ay dumako naman tayo sa step 3. So, calculate the median for an even number of data points. So, when we have an even number of data points, the median is the average of the two middle values. In this case, the two middle values are 85 and 88. So, the formula, ang ating gagamitin na formula ay yan. Nakikita natin sa screen, di ba? So, ang ating ginamit ay ang sample. So, bakit natin ginamit yung sample na formula? Dahil we can see the problem state that a teacher recorded scores. So, this implies that the teacher records only what? Only represent the portion of the larger group. So, naintindihan. So, the formula provided. So, makikita natin yung formula na ginamit natin sa screen. So, is used to calculate the median when you have an even number of data points. Let's apply it to the value 85 and 88. So, i-substitute natin yung mga value na ito sa ating formula. So, to makikita natin na i-substitute dito yung mga values sa formula natin. Yung sa x sub n divided by 2 ay ni-represent ni 85 dahil ang si 85 ay ang lower middle value natin. Then yung x sub n divided by 2 plus 1 ay ni-represent ni 88. Bakit? Dahil si 88 ang upper middle value. So, naintindihan. So, pagkatapos may substitute, ay i-solve na natin. Si 85 at si 88 ay i-add. So, na-add natin. Naging 173. Pagkatapos, dahil sa formula natin ay lahat ng yan ay divided by 2. Diba? Nakikita natin sa formula. Pagkatapos, may add si 85 and 88 ay i-divide natin sa 82. Sa 2. I-divide natin sa 2. So, therefore, using the given formula, the median is what? 86.5. Very good.
So hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the median of a set numbers using an example involving the weights of a basketball players. Let's get started. Here's the problem. The weights and kilograms of 6 basketball players are 72, 68, 70, 74, and 71, and 69. We're asked to find the median weights. So the first thing we need to do is to arrange the data. The first step in finding the median is to arrange the data in ascending order, that means from smallest to largest. So we arrange the numbers like this: 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, and 74. So the next step, find the middle value. Next, since there are 6 values, which is an even number, the median is the average of the 2 middle values. Let's identify those values. The third number as 70 and the next fourth number as 71. Now we add them and divide it by 2. So as we can see, using the formula, to find the median, we use the formula of x equals x sub n divided by 2 plus x sub n divided by 2 plus 1, all divided by 2. So they apply to specific data points given the order list, where x3 equals 70 and the x4 equals 71 rather. Substitute these values into the formula. Here we have x3 equals 70 and x4 equals 71.
So I will show you another example of how to find the median in a data set. No? So given in the data set that you are seeing on your screen right now, we have the 3, 8, 10, 3, 2, 5, 7, 9, 3. No? The first thing that we are going to do is to rearrange them into a ascending form, meaning from lowest to highest. No? So first, let's look for a number that has the least value, meaning have the lowest value, no, which is the 2, no. So first, um, second is to look for the number that is next to 2, which is the 3, no. So in this set, we have 3, no, we have 3. The second then followed by 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So in this set, we have we have 9 data, no, mean 9 numbers, which is odd number. So we are going to look for the fifth one as the median, no. So this gives us 5 as the median.